Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shazad Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock iPhone passcode if forgot without computer, without iTunes and without any third-party software. So don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and then just simply tap on emergency and now you can see emergency call sections. So dial this pin to unlock your device. So just simply dial this pin star 211 and star 6755 star 911356 and star. Now press the dialer and now you can see that the code is added to your iPhone. Again dial this pin star 611 star 733958 star 0000 star 966 star and then press the dialer and now you can see again the code is added and then dial the last pin. So star hash 06 star and hash 55326 star 00 star and hash. And now you can press the dialer to unlock your iPhone. So press the dialer. Now you can see that the iPhone is unlocked without computer, without any third-party software. Just dial the pin and unlock your device. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.